Today I'm going to show you how to repair a very clean cut on your vinyl. So if you can see this one here, it looks like a razor blade or like something sharp cut the vinyl. And sometimes if you have sharp edges or if your clients get on the reformers with jewelry, then these kind of cuts will happen. So I'm going to take a roll of masking tape and I'm going to make a border around the cut, right? So because the glue that we're going to use is a little bit messy, we want to make sure that we mask off the other areas of vinyl to keep the repair looking clean and very uniform. If your cut is not in a straight line, that's okay. It's going to take a little bit more effort to make the tape match the contour, but I still recommend doing it. Sometimes I kind of have to peek to see where the end of the cut actually is. Okay, so now I'm going to take my vinyl / leather repair goop and a toothpick. And we're going to use the toothpick as an applicator so that we can get very neatly into the crease of the crack or the cut. This way we can make sure that we're not getting our fingers messy and we're not smearing it in lots of places. Take the goop and carefully apply a little dab on the toothpick. You don't need a lot, you can always apply more later. So we're going to spread the cut and use the end of the toothpick and just run the end of the toothpick between the edges of the vinyl. I can apply a little bit more goop. All right. And make sure that the whole cut is coated. So as long as the tip of the toothpick gets between the cut, you'll be okay. But you want to make sure that you penetrate the cut so it's not just gluing together on the surface. All right, now we're gonna wait for 2 hours for it to dry. So after 2 hours, we can peel the tape off. Okay, and so we see we have a nice, there's a cut there, but it doesn't pull apart. It's a nice sealed, repaired spot. So here I just want to show you the difference between a sloppy job, this one, and a clean job, right? So if you don't use the tape and you just kind of wipe the glue on with your finger, or even with the toothpick and without any masking tape around, you're gonna get these big old shiny blotches and they don't really come off. Okay, so even if you use nail polish remover or just soap and water, they just stay right on there. So I like this method where you mask around the edge of the cut and then use a toothpick and it gives you a nice, neatly repaired cut. And see this one? It's not coming apart, it's not going anywhere, and most importantly, it's not getting any bigger.